welcome to my YouTube channel. This is King's Bread TV. Today I'll be showing you how to remove password on Windows 7. On my last video I did the one of Windows 10, so you can just check the link and then to learn that of how you can remove password from your Windows 7 system in case you forget your password. So in this sense, practically I forgot this password, so to say, oh, I don't know about this password to start with, so I'm just going to find a way to unlock it. So how do we perform this simple magic? It's very simple. The first thing I'm just going to do is that I will, as you can see, okay, let me try something. That is username or password is incorrect. So to do that, I'm just going to come down here, and then for now I'm going to restart. Just restart the system. Restart the system, and you need to pay close attention to this. So while the system is shutting down, I'm going to restart it. So it brings you to something like this. Now this is what you are really looking for. So the whole essence of why we shut down to restart is so that it can bring us to this particular space. So when it brings us to this side, instead of going to start Windows normally, I'm just going to go to launch startup repair. So you click on launch startup repair. This is going to take some minutes, but you just have to be patient with it and stay clear of that. So while it's loading, we are going to wait for it for some moment. Yes, just wait for it. You see it's loading. It's coming up now, so we are going to allow this to run, and until it brings further information, which I'll be showing you when it does. That's where the magic will really happen. All right, so just kindly subscribe to this channel. This is King's Bread TV. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and share this video. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. This is solely for educational purpose. All right. Okay, now this came up, so you don't have to be bothered with this. What you do is just click on cancel, and then it continues to load. So just keep following that. All right, please, have you subscribed? You have not subscribed yet. Well, what are you waiting for? Just go and subscribe now, comment, like this video, and you can also share your own ideas. And again, you can leave a comment for me on any video you want me to create next. Still loading, so we are going to keep waiting for it. Please ensure you subscribe to this video. All right. As you can see now, it has come up with this. So yours also should be like this. So if you follow me carefully, you definitely get it. So what you ought to do is to come to view problems, and when you come there, just scroll down to the last, and then just go to yes, Windows system, which is this, and it brings this for you. So what you do now is to go to file. You go to file. When you get to file, go to open. All right, as if you want to open. So now you can access the system from here. So what we are going to look for, we are going to system 32. So which means we are going to look for the location where the system is, software is installed. That's what we are going to look for. Now, so you just go to local disk D. You go to local disk D. I suppose this is where the system software, local disk D, which is this place. So what you are going to do is you go to you go to Windows. All right. Now when you go to Windows, just go look for system 32, which is this system 32 here. You open it, then just come down to files and tell it to be all files, so everything will appear definitely. So the first place I'm going to go is to find what is called Ultiman. So when you see Ultiman, half of your problem is solved. So when you get to Ultiman, what you do is that you rename the Ultiman, right? You rename the Ultiman. I can just add maybe like 2 to it. Let me add 2 to it somewhere there. And when I'm done, the next thing is I'm going to look for CMD, which is the command, and that is the main goal. So you need to follow this carefully. I'm going to look for CMD now. CMD, which is this. Now on this CMD, I'm just going to right click and then rename it to Ultiman. I'm going to rename it to Ultiman. So I'll rename it to Ultiman, which I've done. So having done that, the next you're going to do, we are done here. Just close everything. Close it, close it, close it, close it, close it, close it. And then, yeah, just click on finish. And that's that. And it's going, the system is just going to not, I won't bother myself with all of this. So I'm just going to come to this side, which is the command area. You can see that is the magic that we performed earlier at that side. So let me just give you that one more time. So just come down to this side and then click on this. So the moment you click, it brings up the command button. So what we are going to do now, I'm going to type okay, so I'm just going to type net user, type net user, and then space, press enter. Then again, then I'm just going to put net user space. Now, because the name of this window is in 2 words, we have thank God. So assuming it's just 1 word, I will not need to put apostrophe sign. If it's just 1 word, I will just say thank God, something of this nature. Now, but because it's 2 words, I'm just going to use this apostrophe and then use thank God. Thank God. God, and then close it and then put asterisk there. The next thing, you press enter, and when you press enter, you press it actually 2 times. Now sign in and the password has just been removed. Alright, thank you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thanks.